Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to manage Google account here, so how to add it and then how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find accounts and sync. As you can see, we've got the Google section here, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here I've got my previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing it. So all you have to do in order to delete the Google account is to simply tap on it, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Now let's tap on remove account again, and as you can see it actually immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed everything, everything which was attached to this account. So in order to add the account, simply tap on add account option, choose Google. I did not tap on it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added Google account. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.